Hello and welcome to our cooking show. Today we're focusing on a hearty and tasty vegan chickpea curry. This dish packs a punch of flavor and is loaded with health benefits. Rich in protein and fiber, it's a guilt-free indulgence that your body will thank you for. And the best part? It's simple to whip up, making it an ideal choice for weeknights or meal prep. So are you ready to create this culinary masterpiece? Join us on this culinary adventure as we delve into the delightful world of vegan cuisine. For our vegan chickpea curry, we'll need these simple ingredients and a few basic kitchen tools. Gather canned chickpeas, coconut milk, diced tomatoes, an onion, garlic, ginger, spinach, and a medley of spices including turmeric, cumin, coriander, and garam masala. As for tools, you'll need a large skillet or pan, a knife, a cutting board, and a wooden spoon. These spices were chosen not just for their robust flavors, but also for their health benefits. Now that we have everything ready, it's time to start cooking. We begin by preparing our base, which is the heart of our curry. The base is a blend of finely chopped onions, minced garlic, and freshly grated ginger. These ingredients provide a flavorful foundation for our curry. First, we'll chop our onion into small, fine pieces. Then, we'll mince our garlic cloves. And for the ginger, grating it will give us a smoother texture and a more potent flavor. Now let's heat our skillet. You can add a splash of oil, or if you prefer a healthier version, a bit of water will do. Once the skillet is heated, sauté the onions until they turn translucent. This usually takes a few minutes. Next, we add our minced garlic and grated ginger, cooking them until their aromatic scents fill the air. The final step in preparing our base is introducing our spices. We have turmeric, cumin, coriander, and garam masala. Stir them constantly to prevent burning and to release their enticing flavors. With our base ready, we can now add the main ingredients. Next, we add our main ingredients, the chickpeas, diced tomatoes, and coconut milk. First, let's rinse and drain the chickpeas. Once that's done, we'll introduce them to the skillet. Stir them well into our spiced base, ensuring they're thoroughly coated. Now for a burst of freshness, we'll add in our diced tomatoes. Mix them in gently, allowing the tomatoes to mingle with the chickpeas and spices. Now comes the secret ingredient, coconut milk. This isn't just any milk, it's a dairy-free wonder that adds a level of creaminess to our curry that's hard to beat. As we pour it in, you'll notice how it starts to transform our mixture into a rich, aromatic curry. But we're not done yet. We'll turn the heat down a notch and let the curry simmer away. This slow cooking allows the flavors to blend together, creating a depth that's truly satisfying. Let's allow our curry to simmer and the flavors to blend together. While our curry simmers, we'll incorporate some greens. Spinach is our choice today, full of iron and vitamins, giving our curry a colorful boost. Give it a good rinse, then add it straight to the skillet. Watch as it wilts down, folding it gently into the curry. Don't worry if spinach isn't your thing. Kale or Swiss chard make great substitutes, each with its own unique set of nutrients. Our curry is almost ready. Let's move to the final touches. It's time to put the final touches on our vegan chickpea curry. Let's give it a quick taste and adjust the seasoning with a pinch of salt and some freshly ground black pepper. This curry pairs perfectly with steamed rice or warm naan bread, making it a wholesome meal. But remember, this recipe is versatile. Don't hesitate to add in other vegetables like bell pepper or sweet potato. And there you have it, a delicious and nourishing vegan chickpea curry. We've just guided you through the process of making a delicious vegan chickpea curry. From sautéing a fragrant base of onions, garlic, and ginger, to simmering chickpeas in a creamy coconut milk sauce, and finally wilting in nutrient-rich spinach. This simple recipe is adaptable, so feel free to mix in your favorite veggies or spices. We'd love to hear your unique twists on this dish in the comments below. Thank you for joining us today. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe for more vegan recipes. Happy cooking! Happy